All right, you guys, so now we're going to work on the Gerunds and Infinitives worksheet. As always, you can go ahead and take this link over here, copy and paste it, and listen to this reading. That way it might be a little bit more articulated, or it might be articulated a little bit more better than I can't speak. It might be articulated a little bit better than I would do it in this video. So what are our grammar rules? I enjoy drawing, right? We can see that this is a gerund ending with ing. Yesterday I decided to draw. This is the infinitive form of the same verb, right? We have the gerund form and we have the infinitive, and they can both replace a noun in the sentence. So an infinitive is the verb form that has to at the beginning. For example, to do, to sleep, to love, to create. This is something we talked about earlier. It could replace a noun, it could replace an adjective, it could replace a verb. But for our purposes today, we're going to focus on it modifying or replacing a noun. Gerunds are basically the ones with ing endings, like sleeping, drawing, swimming, and they are not used in the continuous form like I was sleeping, or I am sleeping, or I will be sleeping. It's not used in the continuous tense. It is used as a noun. And a gerund can be used after certain verbs, including things like enjoy, fancy, discuss, dislike, finish, mind, suggest, recommend, keep, and avoid. For example, I enjoy sleeping, okay? In this case, fancy is not like the cool clothes someone is wearing or the car they're driving. Fancy is to want, okay? So we can use it after preposition of time and place. For example, I made dinner before getting home. He looked unhappy after seeing his work schedule. All right, we can see that before and after are both prepositions of time and of place, right? And we can use gerund generally after these prepositions of time and of place. We can also use it to replace the subject or the object in the sentence, and this is something we talked about in our previous video. We were kind of giving these examples. Lachlan likes eating coconut oil, all right? So eating here is not a verb, or it's not used as a verb. It is used to replace the object of the sentence. Jumping off a cliff is dangerous, but a real thrill. Jumping is used as the subject and in the sentence instead of saying something else, which we talked about how the rest of the sentence would remain the same. All we do is just add the gerund in the beginning. Okay, so infinitives can be used after certain verbs, including things like agree. You can say like, I agreed to eat with him on Sunday. After ask, I asked to play the guitar in the band. Decide, help, plan, hope, learn, want, would like, and promise. So we use those as the verb, as the main verb, and then the infinitive comes after. For example, after many adjectives, okay, it is hard to make dinner this late. I find it difficult to describe my feelings. And we can use it to show purpose. For example, I left Russia to study Russian. I came to the office to solve the mystery of the missing keys, right? So it gives us a purpose of why we do this. And something you have to be mindful of, something that you want to know, is that you don't want to mix up gerunds, like working like a noun, with the present progressive. They're two different things, okay? Like we said here, My friend and I are dancing. Dancing is not used as a noun here. Dancing is used as present progressive. We see that are tells us that it is are dancing is the verb to be plus ing ending. She is studying. This is the main verb. Studying is the main verb plus to be plus ing ending. Notice the verb to be, right, is am are plus the verb plus ing ending, which is what we were talking about. So you just want to keep that in mind. Okay? So circle the verb in the sentence and underline the gerund. Running a marathon is my dream. We kind of see here, I'm not going to circle it, I'm going to underline both for my purposes. We are thinking about having another baby. Okay? Being responsible is part of being a parent. Being responsible is part of being a parent. So here we have the gerund of being. We have the verb, I'm going to highlight being again here. And then we have the verb is. Okay? They think having a baby is all fun and games, but it isn't. So having is used as a noun, and the actual action that's happening is. When we help other people, we help the whole community. When we help other people, help here is the